Question of the reporting. Why it is important? The global citizenship is the idea that we are not only members of our own country or community, but also it is involved the interconnected world that emphasize that we have the responsibility to set respect for all the people sa kabila ng pagkakaiba sa ating nasyonalidad at kultura. We should have set boundaries and respect all personalities. In psychology, cognitive, emotional, and social dimensions. Overarching dimension of global citizenship. It is the isa itong overall na sukat sa pangdaigdigang pagkamamayanan. The number one is of overarching dimensions, the social responsibility. It is a ethical concept that individuals and organizations have a moral duty to act in ways that benefit. Ito yung pangkalahatang responsibilidad at hindi lamang sa sariling interes. The number two is the global competence. It is ability to understand the world and work effectively with people from different culture and take responsible action to the global issues. Ito yung mga taong nagsasaliksik ukol sa iba't ibang kultura and kung ano ang mga issues ay agad nilang itong aksyonan. They investigate the world, explore and understand the global issues and the cultural patterns and international. In simpler terms, global competence is being informed and open-minded, able to interact with the world. And the last part of overarching dimension of global citizenship is the civic engagement. It's about people taking action, public issues, influence decisions. Number one is the voting is in election, volunteering at local organization, attending towns meetings in forums, joining community groups. Ito yung mga taong matatawag na rin silang isang frontliner kasi sila yung mga pasimuno o nangunguna sa mga anumang aktibidad o mga kalakaran sa lokal. Sila yung nag-a-attend sila ng meeting in public forums at nagjo-join din sila sa community groups para maging aware kung ano ang mga public issues and mga public decision. And that's all. Thank you.